If you are thinking about buying a virtual reality headset right now, or if you are considering picking up a Meta Quest 3, stop immediately. Put your money back in your bank account and listen very carefully to what Mark Zuckerberg and Meta are quietly building behind closed doors. For years, the virtual and augmented reality space has been locked in a massive war. On one hand, you have Apple with the Vision Pro, offering insanely high-end technology at an eye-watering price point that almost nobody can actually afford. On the other hand, you have Meta, delivering affordable standalone VR that brings spatial computing to the masses, but sacrificing raw power and screen fidelity to keep costs low. But based on massive supply chain leaks, insider filings, and hidden code buried deep inside Meta's software updates, the status quo is about to be completely destroyed. The Meta Quest 4 is not just a minor refresh or a simple spec bump. It is Meta's all-out, unapologetic strike against the competition. Designed to deliver Apple Vision Pro-level spatial computing at a price that will make your jaw drop, Meta is preparing to take the training wheels off mainstream VR, and what they are engineering into this next-generation headset will completely change how we play games, work, and interact with the digital world. Today, we are tearing into every single leaked detail, every mind-bending hardware upgrade, and the revolutionary silicon that makes the Quest for the most important piece of hardware Meta has ever created. Let us start with the biggest flaw of current mainstream VR headsets, and the primary reason why so many people leave their headsets collecting dust on a shelf after a few weeks. Comfort and weight distribution. The biggest problem with headsets like the Quest 3 is that all the heavy components, the battery, the cooling fans, the display panels, and the computing chips, are packed directly onto your face. It creates massive front-heavy leverage that strains your neck, leaves deep red pressure marks on your skin, and makes long gaming or productivity sessions completely uncomfortable. With the Quest 4, Meta is executing a total structural redesign. Supply chain reports indicate that Meta is completely rethinking the architecture by moving to a counterbalanced or modular design right out of the box. The heavy battery assembly is being shifted to the back of the head strap, while the front visor is being stripped down to its absolute minimum thickness. By utilizing second-generation pancake lenses that are significantly thinner and lighter, along with lightweight carbon-infused composites for the inner frame, the front visor of the Quest 4 is rumored to be nearly 40% thinner than the Quest 3. Imagine putting on a headset that feels less like strapping a heavy box to your eyes and more like putting on a light pair of ski goggles. The facial interface is also getting a massive upgrade, featuring breathable, moisture-wicking memory foam with magnetic quick swaps, allowing you to easily switch between a full light seal for immersive gaming and an open-air peripheral setup for casual desk work. This shift in ergonomics means you will finally be able to wear this headset for 3, 4, or 5 hours straight without feeling neck fatigue or overheating. Now let us talk about the display, because this is where Meta is directly taking dead aim at Apple. The single biggest complaint about budget standalone VR is the screen resolution and black levels. Traditional LCD screens use backlights that leak light, turning deep space in VR games into a murky, washed-out gray, and creating visible pixelation known as the screen door effect. The Quest 4 is making a massive leap in optical technology. While earlier rumors hinted at expensive micro-OLED panels, insider leaks suggest Meta has engineered a custom, high-density quantum dot mini LED display with localized dimming, or a revolutionary hyperbright micro-OLED panel specifically tailored for standalone power budgets. We are talking about a massive jump in resolution, pushing past 3K per eye with a pixels per degree count that makes individual pixels completely invisible to the human eye. When you read small text on a virtual monitor inside the Quest 4, it will look as sharp and crisp as reading a physical 4K desktop monitor sitting on your desk. Furthermore, with localized dimming zones, blacks will actually be pitch black. When you are exploring a dark corridor in a horror game or watching a movie in a virtual cinema, the contrast will be blindingly realistic. Combined with an expanded field of view that stretches your peripheral vision to nearly 115 degrees, the feeling of looking through binoculars will completely vanish. You will simply be inside the digital world. And what good is a gorgeous screen if the world outside your headset looks like a grainy, low-resolution security camera feed? This brings us to pass-through technology and spatial computing.